Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the Go High Level Starter Plan for 2025. Who it's made for, what feature you will get, and if it is the right fit for your business. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So let's scroll down and let's go to the pricing plan. So this is the starter plan we are getting. So first of all, we are going to discuss what actually is Go High Level. If you're new here, Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform designed mainly for agencies and marketers. It helps you automate client communications, run marketing campaigns, manage leads, and much more, all from one place. Then talk about the starter plan overview. The starter plan is Go High Level's entry level plan in 2025. What you will get? You will get access to CRM and pipeline management, basic marketing automations features like email and SMS campaign, then built-in calendar scheduling and appointments, a simple website and funnel builder, and limited access to integrations and support. It is designed for a small business or new marketers just starting out who need essential tools without the highest cost. Who should choose the starter plan? This is a great question. So first of all, if you're a freelancer or solo marketers who want to manage their leads and automate basic marketing without complexity, they can go with this plan. A small business or local service provider needing a simple CRM and appointment system to keep track of clients, they can go with this plan. The new marketing agencies just launches or launching who want to test Go High Level without committing to the full suite. If you don't need advanced features like white labeling, multi-accounting management, or advanced workflow, the starter plan is solid budget-friendly choice. And when you just need to be go upgrade, like you might want to upgrade the higher plans when you need more integration or advanced automations. Want to manage multiple client accounts from one dashboard, need a white labeling to brand the platform as you own, require priority support or more robust reporting. And that's quick look at a Go High Level Starter Plan for 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have a question. Thanks for watching.